Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see in today's video I want to show you an update of what has happened so far in the beginning of this month, and also I want to show you guys what is the current update on our indicator, which is the perfect indicator. So as I told you guys that this indicator is very powerful and it's one of the best indicator that you can see in the market currently now, because these are not reprint indicator. You see the yellow indicator that you see here is not a reprint indicator. And also you can see this, also the arrow indicator signal that you see here is not reprint indicator. So this make it so powerful and accurate in everything that you put it on. So it means that once it appears, it does not disappear. You can see we have the trend of the market, which is the red 9 here, and we also have the blue 9 here, and also we have the our trend 9, which is the yellow 9 for downtrend, and we have the blue 9 for uptrend. You can see, and I told you guys that anytime you have a trend in the market for downtrend, the arrow that you need to target is the red signal arrow. You can see the red signal arrow for downtrend currently now. So you can see the downtrend arrow for the red on this, and also we can see that it ends at this particular area, and also we have a uptrend in the market move, and we can see that we have the green now is our target to take the trade. You can see we have the first confirmation, the second confirmation, the third confirmation, and the fourth confirmation, and we can see that the market move on a massive uptrend. It's moved on a massive uptrend up to this particular move. You can see that it moved on to this, and also we have the downtrend move on this particular one, and you can see that it shows to us that we have a downtrend move, and you can see this is our entry level, and at this particular area now you can see what the trend did. It go down on a massive trend, up to this particular moment. We have a rejection zone here, and also we have another arrow indicator appear here, which is same red. It will still continue the trend, and you can see how massive this goes on our step index 1 minute time frames. You can see it still continue. You can see how massive it is, and it end at this particular place. And also we have another uptrend in the move here. We have the trend of the market as a uptrend. We have the signal yet as our TK for our uptrend also, and we have the confirmation trend. This is the first not reprint, and the second not reprint arrow signal here, and we have it to be on a uptrend move, and you can see how massive it is to this particular. And currently now the market is still moving towards that direction. You can see how powerful it is. So it's moved from here, reject little bit, keep on moving, and you can see the movement keep on up to now. We still have the current move in the market. And you can close your market at any time you want. So this is one of the best indicator I think that you can have as a beginner or as a pro to support your indicator. And this indicator also works on gold. It also works on all currency pair once it is MT5 broker, and this also works on Pain X and Gain X if you want to use it on web trader. And also you can get this indicator, but this indicator is not for free. So if you are interested in getting this indicator, all what you need to do is to join our Telegram group and get access to me, and I will respond to you guys. So this is not a scam. This is real, and this is exactly what I'm using to trade my trade, and I'll be making a lot with it. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.